Grace is gonna show you how to do a stunning and simple updo. This is so professional looking. It's easy. You can do it yourself, and you want to have this hairstyle in your back pocket because you're gonna be wearing it all the time for your special events. With any hairstyle, you're gonna want to begin by prepping the hair so that when you do the actual style, it goes up flawlessly. I'm gonna begin by putting a little bit of a texture spray in her hair, and this is the Amika Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. Now I'm going to smooth her hair out. So brush it a bit. Spray it with a little bit of hairspray, and this is just a working spray from Kenra. It's gonna help smooth down her flyaways. I'm gonna have you tilt down. If you tilt down, your ponytail is a little bit tighter, which is great. So now on the third time I flip it through, I'm gonna get it just like this. So I've got a part of a bun, you can tilt back up, part of a bun going here, tighten that up, and then I'm gonna respray this hair to keep it smooth. Grab a second hair tie and tie off the bottom ends. And then tuck the ends and this up under, like this. It's okay if everything is not perfectly smooth right now. We will smooth it out in just a second. Now I'm gonna grab this 3-prong comb. It's gonna help me smooth what I need to into place, and then I'm also tucking, she has some layers, so I'm tucking those layers in. Where this hair is wanting to poke out right here, I'm gonna grab a pin and pin it back in and fold the hair over top. Stunning, super easy. Now that I'm done with the bun, I'm just gonna pull out a little bit of her crown section here. You don't have to do this, but it takes your updo from looking like you did it yourself in 5 minutes to looking like a professional spent an hour on it. So this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed this simple tutorial on how to do a professional low bun, and tag us in your photos if you try it.